Okay everyone, so in this next lesson, let's try to go and solve the challenge that I gave you. And let's try to go and move the boxes down. I'm sure you were able to figure this out. It's quite a simple solution from where we will just need to go and play around with a single property here. And that will be, we'll just need to go to our padding property here. And that will be the space inside of our section class children's stories here. So if I go and play around with this and I give it a 150 pixels from the top, let's also give it a 20 pixels from the right and 100 pixels from the bottom and 20 pixels from the left. So you would see we were able to move the boxes here downward. Okay, now let's try to go and implement that inside of our code editor. So let's look for that here. So we can go and use 150 pixels here. Now let's try to go back to our browser here and refresh, and nothing has changed because we were now able to implement the changes that we did in the developer tools inside of our main document. Now the last thing that I want to tweak here is this photo credit that we have here. We know we use a div element for this, so let's go and go back to our code editor here and then select the div element, if I remember it correctly, photo credit span. Now let's try to go and give the position absolute, top 95%, left 50%, transform, translate x, axis negative 50%. Now let's try to go and refresh this, and we can now see we have repositioned our photo credit here. Now let's try to go and add some styling here. Let's just also go change the font size to 1 rem. Now let's try to go and refresh this, and there you go. I just want to really congratulate you everyone, because you were able to go and reach this point and you're still here with me, you're still improving, and I'm really hoping that this is helping you understand the use of the different elements, some of the tags and the properties. And in the next lessons or in the next section, I will be discussing to you on how we can now go and make use of sign-up forms, or how we can build our own sign-up forms, and we'll try to add some more sections in this project. So again, thank you again, and hopefully you really have learned a lot already in the previous lessons that we have accomplished. And let's now move forward to another section of our course. Okay, so thank you and see you on our next lessons.